Do you feel lost while learning English? You study vocabulary today, grammar tomorrow, speaking next week, but still feel confused. In this video, I will give you a clear English learning roadmap, from beginner to fluent speaker. You will know what to study first, what to practice daily, and how to move step by step without wasting time. This is not motivation. This is a clear plan you can follow. English learning needs balance every day. Do not practice one skill only. Practice listening, speaking, reading, and vocabulary. Listen to slow English audio daily. Repeat sentences after the speaker. Read short stories with simple words. Revise vocabulary before sleeping daily. Practice these sentences now. What are you doing today? I am practicing English speaking daily. I studied English yesterday at home. Short daily practice brings long-term success. English must enter your daily life. Practice English for real situations. Repeat these sentences carefully now. Hello? May I speak with you? I am calling about the meeting. Please send me an email today. Let me explain my idea clearly. Now practice simple storytelling. Yesterday, I went to the market. I met a friend there. We talked for a long time. Speak slowly, think clearly, stay calm. Do not memorize long vocabulary lists. Learn words inside useful sentences. This method builds strong memory. Repeat these phrases slowly now. Make a decision today. Take a short break now. Pay attention to this lesson. Feel comfortable while speaking English. Now use them in sentences. I need to make a decision. Let us take a short break. Learning through sentences feels natural. Clear pronunciation builds speaking confidence. First, listen carefully, then repeat slowly. Follow this simple shadowing method. Listen to one short sentence. Pause the audio briefly. Repeat with same speed and rhythm. Practice these sentences now. I am looking forward to it. That sounds like a good idea. I did not understand at first. Slow practice creates fast improvement. Natural English uses common expressions. Learn easy idioms and phrasal verbs. Repeat these expressions slowly now. Take it easy. Everything is fine. I am on the way now. I will figure it out soon. I am getting used to English. Use these in daily conversations. They make your English sound natural. Avoid robotic and bookish English speech. Fluency starts inside your mind. Stop translating every word mentally. Practice thinking in English daily. Describe your actions while working. Talk to yourself in English. Repeat these sentences now. I am cooking food now. I am checking my phone. I am planning tomorrow carefully. This habit changes your English completely. Now, English becomes part of life. You speak without fear or stress. Practice sharing opinions freely. Ask questions without hesitation. Tell stories with confidence daily. Mistakes will still happen sometimes. That is completely normal and healthy. Confidence grows through daily usage. This stage creates real English speakers. Asking questions builds real communication skills. Questions help you continue conversations naturally. Practice simple question patterns daily. Use who, what, when, where, why. Repeat these questions slowly now. What are you doing right now? Where are you going today? Why are you learning English now? When did you start learning English? Now, practice short answers. I am practicing English now. I am going to work today. I started learning English recently. Questions make your English active. Short sentences are good for beginners. Now slowly expand your sentences. Start with a simple sentence. I study English daily. Now expand it carefully. I study English daily at home. I study English daily after work. I study English daily with focus. Repeat each sentence clearly. Now, add one detail at a time. Do not rush sentence expansion. This builds accuracy and confidence together. Listening improves understanding and pronunciation. Start reducing subtitle usage slowly. First, listen with subtitles once. Next, listen again without subtitles. Focus on keywords only. Practice these listening sentences. I will call you later. Let us meet after work. That depends on the situation. Do not panic if confused. Understanding improves with repetition. Your ears need daily training time. Mistakes are part of learning English. Do not fear making small errors. Focus on common speaking mistakes. Wrong tense usage is very common. Pronunciation mistakes also happen often. Repeat correct sentences now. I went there yesterday. She speaks English very well. They are working right now. Notice the sentence structure carefully. Repeat correct forms daily. Correction leads to clear English speech. A routine makes English learning automatic. Create a simple daily English routine. Morning practice builds strong habits. Listen to English after waking up. Speak simple sentences aloud daily. Evening practice strengthens memory. Revise words before sleeping calmly. Think in English before sleep. Repeat this routine every day. Small habits bring big results. Consistency creates long-term fluency. Now you have a clear English roadmap. Follow this order and practice daily. Be patient and trust the process. If this video helped you today, like it, share it, and subscribe now. Comment below your biggest English problem. I read every comment carefully.